Here's a pair of the Powerbeats Pro 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense Fire TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put the earbuds in a pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case. Let's open this up. I'll know that it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking white, or if I get a like a pairing chime. But anyway, I don't get a blinking white light. It's a solid white light. Then it turns off. The reason is for me is because it's connected to one of my phones. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode myself. There's a button here in the case. Make sure that both of the buds are in the case. And here's that button. Press and hold that button for 5 seconds or until you see a white blinking light here. Here's the button. Ready. Press and hold. Keep holding. Wait. Now it's blinking white. It's in pairing mode. You also hear the pairing chime as well. So now let's hurry and shoot over to the TV. We're going to go directly to the settings. You can navigate, go to the home page here. Click on the home button on the remote and then just navigate to the gear icon. So we're going to go all the way over right there. From here, we're going to press down and we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Let's select that. Go all the way down, other Bluetooth devices, select it, and now select add Bluetooth devices. And now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking white and it did found the Powerbeats Pro right there. Make sure it's highlighted. Let's select OK on the remote. And voila, we are paired, we are connected, ready to go. And I just heard the connecting chime on the earbuds. So there you go, we're connected, ready to go. If you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these. If you need to do that, look for the link below in the description area.